Hi guys,
Hello,
I'm Monique,
I'm Will.
and we are living the good life, Rving. And we're coming to you today with a update video.
Yeah, we need an update.
And it's going to be a little bit of a mixed video. We did some adventuring during this pandemic, so I'm going to insert that in here.
Yeah.
And we've had some things that we purchased that we're going to share with you and let you know what's going on. So in our last update video, we told you that we were moving into a campground.
Yes, we did.
Well, that didn't happen.
Didn't happen.
No.
Thank you, coronavirus.
Not only the coronavirus, but our RV needed some minor repairs done. And that day we were supposed to take our RV, get some minor repairs done, and move into our campground. And that did not happen.
Right.
Our taking our RV to get minor repairs did happen, and it has happened for 3 weeks. Our RV has been in repairs for 3 whole weeks.
That's a while.
So we have been staked out and settled at my grandmother's house.
Yep.
And which is now my mother's house. And we've been there ever since. And we've been waiting it out to see when we'll get our RV back. And finally, we're getting our RV back tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And I hate to say this now, but if tomorrow comes and then we don't get our RV back, then I'll have another update video and you'll know why. But we're not going to go there. Tomorrow, we're getting our RV back. And guess what? Tomorrow, we are moving into the RV park.
Yes.
Yes. We are definitely moving into RV park tomorrow. So, I'm not going to tell you where. Stay tuned for that.
Mm-hmm.
But it is getting awfully warm here in California.
Yeah.
And we are glad that we have AC in our RV.
We got 2 ACs.
And so we will be running that bad boy and making sure it works really well. So, also we have some great news to share with you.
Yeah, we do.
Our number 2 subscriber, Mr. Spencer, Lil Chicken Nugget,
AKA.
Graduated from junior high school.
Already? Can you believe that?
Well, technically elementary school, but in their case out there, it's like junior high elementary. So
wow,
he graduated.
He'll be in high school.
He's going to high school.
He's going to be a high school chicken nugget.
Yes. So he's going to high school next year. And he is still going to be our little chicken nugget. So I am going to insert some pictures right here.
Yep.
And so that is exciting. We got to watch his graduation online, and he actually had a graduation, which we are so proud of his school for letting him have that experience. So
they did practice personal space, though. That was pretty nice.
Yes, social distancing.
Yeah. They
did do that very well. Very, very well. And so that was done. We have been working hard, purchasing things we need for our RV, and we will share those things with you in future videos because we plan to share what we bought for our RV.
Yeah,
but there's one item that we want to share that is special to us that we found that we're so super excited about because it will be like the first thing that we actually put on. Well, no, it won't be the first thing we put on the walls, but it'll be us getting our RV a little bit decorated. And so let's show you what we've gotten. Yes. Let's put it over here. It says living the dream. Yeah, there's a man on there. But we're going to pretend that this is a RV, okay? Just pretend it's an RV.
Yeah, it is.
And that's what it's going to be. But it says living the dream. So isn't that so cool?
Yeah.
Totally cool. We found that at Hobby Lobby. And we got that to accessorize our RV with. And it'll be our first item to accessorize our RV. Let's see. What else? So we're also going to insert some video here. Or right after this, we're going to insert some video. And it's going to be us taking a drive to Idyllwild. We wanted to kind of stake out the area, see how bad of a drive it is, and how I would feel if I would feel comfortable pulling our RV up the hill to Idyllwild, because it's
a mountain, babe.
Yeah, well, mountain. Up the mountain to Iowa. My bad.
Yeah.
And so we went to go check that out, and because there's 2 ways up to Idyllwild, and you can go from the Hemet side of Idyllwild, or you can go from the Beaumont side of Idyllwild. Right. And so I've already been up the Hemet side, and I knew how steep it was and how curvy it is on that road. And so I didn't feel comfortable with taking an RV up that way. So I wanted to see how the other road was. And so we went up Beaumont, and I went up it, came down it, not with the RV, but we went up it. We spent the day up there exploring around. We checked out the 1,000 Trail entrance to see how to get there. And it doesn't, on the way up there, I'm not going to admit, it looked pretty bad. Like, no, I don't think we really want to take our RV up here. And no, I don't really think that it would be safe driving up there. But now that I have come down, we went and drove it, I feel like I am capable of driving our RV up there and back. So we might schedule some time to stay in Idyllwild. And right now it's hot, but it's probably a little bit cooler up there than it is down here.
It's pretty up there.
So, and it's gorgeous. Wait until you see this video.
Yeah.
I'm going to add it now. Check it out. It's pretty windy out here.
Yeah.
We're in the Idyllwild Hills. And we were checking out the 1,000 Trails up here to see if this is something that we want to come to. It's really beautiful. I'm going to let you take a look around. Those mountains. And this is a lookout point area up here that you can come. I'm taking a little hike that's safe for those that are disabled.
Yeah, for those disabled people.
Yeah, this is a nice little walking area. And we're headed back down to the car. Look at that view. Gorgeous. We have a full packed schedule. We have camping scheduled all the way up until the end of July. We have a little bit of a gap in July, but not much. We're planning a big trip up north, all the way to Washington State, and we're excited about that. And
Yes.
we're thinking about trying to do that sometime at the beginning of October. And it's going to be like a month-long trip because we're going to take it nice and slow. We're planning to visit several people along the way.
Right.
So I've been working with Google to create our map, Trip Wizard. Let's see which other one. Oh, Good Sam's has a really good one too that maps out. So I've been using that as well. And just trying to pinpoint places that we want to see along the way as well. And so I'm trying to learn all that. So I'm excited about learning how to do all that. And we have a lot of gas stations that we've already mapped out. Camping worlds that we were planning to stay at. I just need to add Walmarts to those and try to see if there's Walmarts. So we just overnight stays to keep our traveling going. But we have several campgrounds we're going to stay at. We're staying at least 2,000 trails along the way. I have one state park on there so far. And we're super, super excited. So that is going to be an adventure, and hopefully somewhere around October. If not, maybe next year. But I'm hoping for this year.
Yeah.
We're just worried about the snow up north, and I don't want to get stuck in the snow.
No.
No.
We do have a 4-wheel drive truck.
We do like, I personally like warmer weather. So for us being here in California with the warm weather, I'm not appalled to it. But I don't want to be in the snow living. Visiting, not living. So that'll be definitely something I want to avoid. So they say in October at the end, it kind of gets snowy in Washington, hit or miss. But definitely November and December. So we definitely want to be out there before then. And we might actually try to maybe go in September that way. So if you know how the weather is going to be out that way, please leave it in the comments below. September, October, that's about the time we're looking to go. So if you know, leave it in comments below how the weather is going to be. Or if you know when the best time to go into those states, let us know in the comments below. Because we're going to be traveling from California to Nevada to Utah to Idaho, Oregon, and then Washington. So 6 states.
Yeah, that's 6 of them.
Yes. So it's going to be a lot of traveling.
Yeah.
It's going to be really nice. So we're excited. And then on the way back, we plan to do coastline. So that's going to be really beautiful. And there's tons of 1,000 trails that we're going to stop at. So.
Good.
Also, let us know where you're traveling to now that the restrictions are starting to lay up a little bit. If you are you still scared, we are going to take this COVID, throw it out the door, and keep on with life. Because life is short. And we want to live it to the fullest.
That's true.
Yes. So we're going to wrap up this video and let you guys go. And you should see us camping next. And we're super excited. And we know, things happen. We're very flexible. And we take this as it is. And we're going to enjoy life. So we want to say live the good life.
Living the dream.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life.
And living the dream.